Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share something truly powerful for all digital creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs out there. If you've ever wanted to build your own AI-powered business or create professional visuals that sell, you're going to love this. It's called Nano Banana AI Expertise with PLR. Now, imagine having your very own all-in-one toolkit that not only helps you design stunning visuals in seconds, but also lets you rebrand and sell the entire system as your own. That's what Nano Banana AI Expertise does. It combines advanced AI design tools with full private label rights, giving you complete freedom to own the product, sell it under your name, and keep 100% of the profits. Inside the package, you'll find 5 premium training videos that teach you how to create, automate, and grow using AI, plus a detailed step-by-step guide that makes it simple for beginners and pros alike. You also get professional sales materials, from high-converting copy and ready-made videos to beautiful graphics, email swipes, and marketing banners, everything you need to start selling right away. And if that's not enough, Nano Banana includes amazing bonuses like a quick-access cheat sheet, a visual mind map for easy learning, and a top resource list of the best AI tools on the market. It's designed to help you build not just content, but a real business with long-term potential. The digital design and AI market are growing faster than ever, and opportunities like this don't come often. If you're ready to turn your creativity into income, now's the time to take action. Check out Nano Banana AI Expertise with PLR and start building your AI-powered brand today. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.